Jangan lupa like dan komen ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Safrina. I am a student at Halu Oleo University, Kendari. And today I am going to present a research paper titled The Impact of Tuberculosis on People Living with HIV. This paper focuses on factors associated with the incidence of TB in HIV/AIDS patients. I will walk you through the objective methodology, key findings, and conclusion of the study. I hope this presentation provides you with valuable insights, and don't forget to keep watching this video until it's finished. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's begin. Background. Tuberculosis is an infectious disease generated by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which generally devours the lungs, or pulmonary TB. Still, its cold as will attack various organs in the body, extra pulmonary TB, and is the prominent cause of mortality in people with HIV/AIDS. Human immunodeficiency virus or HIV infection is a drawback in controlling tuberculosis since HIV weakens the immune system, which causes Mycobacterium tuberculosis to develop rapidly. Since HIV/AIDS is a risk factor for the incidence of tuberculosis. Objective. This, this study employs a scoping review approach to explore the key factor associated with TB occurrence in HIV/AIDS patients. Methods. A literature search was conducted across index databases including Scopus, PubMed, Google Scholar, and Crossref. Studies published between 2013 and 2021 were selected based on article titles, study designs, population, intervention, and results. 14 relevant articles were included. Data were processed by identifying key sentences relevant to the coding framework, collecting important findings, and organizing a narrative review framework. Qualitative data analysis was performed using NVivo 12 Plus with data presentation and report compilation. Results. The study identifies age, gender, education, and knowledge level, nutritional status, use of antiretroviral therapy, ART, and cluster of differentiation 4 or CD4 cells count as the dominant factor influencing TB incidence among people living with HIV/AIDS. Discussion. Age. Age is an important factor in the transmission of Mycobacterium tuberculosis in people with HIV/AIDS. Based on this age group, the frequency of tuberculosis is highest in young adults. Gender. Men with HIV/AIDS infections risk developing tuberculosis more than women. With more activist jobs, men living with HIV are more at risk of contracting Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which causes tuberculosis. Nutritional status. For nutritional status provokes a decline in the human system with an impaired immune system plus diagnosis of HIV, causing people living with HIV to be susceptible to Mycobacterium tuberculosis. And CD4, a weak immune system, which is described by a low CD4 cell level, will cause people with HIV/AIDS to be more defenseless against attack, attacks of opportunity infections and worsen the clinical state. Conclusion. Human immunodeficiency virus or HIV infection weakens the immune order by attacking lymphocytes or white blood cells or CD4 and making people with HIV/AIDS very susceptible to infection with Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which causes tuberculosis. People living with HIV/AIDS in their productive age, low level of education or nutritional status, smoking, not using antiretroviral therapy, and low CD4 cell counts, high risk contribution for generating tuberculosis. That concludes my presentation. I hope the study has shed light on the impact of tuberculosis on people living with HIV. Thank you for your attention. I end with the words Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.